Hello dear students, today I am going to make a video of method of preparation of alkyl halide or haloalkanes. As you know, from this some of the questions related to water treatment and also in conversion are coming in each and every year. So this heading is very important for all of you. Let's start. Topic, as you know, haloalkanes, and this is for class 12. Methods of preparation. As you know, if question will come, how you have to prepare haloalkane or commonly alkyl halide, then what will be the method by which you have to prepare? In this sequence, there are some methods I have to explain here. Like first of all, from alkanes. If I have taken alkane like RH and passed Cl2 in presence of sunlight, it means HNO. As you know, this I can represent Cl with Cl by a single bond. One Cl from here and one H from here, released out in form of HCl. It means this Cl attaches there with R, so it will give RCl. It means this one is the chloroalkane, or in common I can say alkyl chloride. So in this way you can prepare alkyl halide from alkane. As like I have taken here example CH4. In earlier classes also all of you have seen passed Cl2 in presence of sunlight. It will give in first step CH3Cl. One is released with one Cl. It means one HCl also formed. This is the methyl chloride or chloromethane. Or in common, I can write methyl chloride. Some more steps all of you have seen. CH3Cl, once again Cl2 passed here. It will give CH2Cl2 with formation of HCl. This is the methylene dichloride. After that, in third step, CH2Cl2, once again Cl2 passed in presence of sunlight, which is represented here in form of HNO. It will give CHCl3 with formation of HCl. You know, CHCl3, this one is the chloroform. Or in our case you can say 1,1,1 trichloromethane. After that, in fourth step, if you have taken once again, so here CHCl3, again I am passing Cl3 in presence of same condition, it means in presence of sunlight, it will give CCl4 with formation of HCl. It means carbon tetrachloride formed. So you are seeing here, I am preparing RCl, or you can say RX, alkyl halide. In place of X, what will be? As you know, X represented 7 group elements. It means F, Cl, Br, and even also iodine. So in this way, this is the first method by which you can prepare alkyl halide from alkanes. After that, second method, suppose I have taken second method, that one is the alkene, it means from alkenes. Then how you can prepare alkyl halide from alkenes? Suppose I have taken CH2 double bond CH2. As all of you know, if HX passed over this, then it will give CH2 single bond CH2 and one X added here and one H added here. It means I can write this one is the CH3 CH2 X. It means this one is the alkyl halide, and this gives by the addition of halogen acids, because we all are seeing here this one is the alkene but symmetrical, because from both sides of the double bond having same number of carbon. If I have taken another example like RCH double bond CH2 and once again pass HX, then it will give RCH single bond CH2, and all of you know this HX having a one bond which breaks here, and here also one bond breaks, so the negative part of this added here and H added here, and I can also write this R CH X and here CH3, and this is also alkyl halide. But the difference in these two, all of you have seen here the negative part of this, because this breaks in as a negative ion and this breaks in the form of positive ion. According to the Markovnikov, all of you know, the negative part of the hydrogen halide added over that carbon, double bonded that carbon having less number of hydrogen. So this negative part added here and positive part, it means hydrogen added over the adjacent carbon having more hydrogen atom. But all of you know, suppose this example I have taken once again RCH double bond CH2, and I am going to pass HX, but here presence, that one is the benzoyl peroxide. So the addition of the hydrogen halide, as you are seeing here reversed. It means the negative part of this adds over that carbon which one is added with the double bonded carbon having hydrogen more in number. It means it will give RCH CH2, and here adds X and over the adjacent carbon added H. So I can write this RCH2 CH2 X. It means in this way I can prepare alkyl halide or haloalkane from alkenes also. And this presence, all of you have seen in earlier class, this one is known as Harris effect or peroxide effect, because here addition is reverse just of the Markovnikov. So this is according to the Markovnikov and this one is according to the anti-Markovnikov. And some more example all of you can write by placing in place of R CH3 C2H5 C3H7 like any alkyl group. It means all of you can easily prepare alkyl halide or haloalkane by the alkenes with the reaction of hydrogen halide or halogen acids by following Markovnikov and anti-Markovnikov rule. After that, suppose I have taken next method. That one is the from alcohol. It means from alcohols, haloalkanes or alkyl halides also can be prepared. First of all, suppose I have taken ROH, alcohol, and as we know, if I react this with HCl concentrate in presence of anhydrous zinc chloride ZnCl2 and heat it, then all of you know it will give RCl plus formation of H2, H from here and OH from here form H2O and this gives RCl. In this way, by the reaction of alcohols with concentrate HCl in presence of anhydrous ZnCl2, I can prepare alkyl halide by taking an example. Suppose I have taken C2H5OH plus HCl concentrate. Once again, same condition, anhydrous ZnCl2. Anhydrous, it means that without water. This one is the dehydrating agent, so it absorbs water from there. And as I am saying here, it will give C2H5Cl with formation of water. And one thing that's very important, HCl in concentrate form with anhydrous zinc chloride. This is known as Lucas reagent. Lucas reagent. It means in presence of Lucas reagents, alcohol on heating gives alkyl halide. From alcohols, by another method, I can also prepare suppose I have taken once again alcohol. It is the second and this one is the first. I have taken once again alcohol. As you know, I can convert alcohol in alkyl halide by the reaction of halides of phosphorus, either phosphorus trihalide or phosphorus pentahalide. So I am taking here first of all PCl3 phosphorus trichloride. As all of you are seeing here, I am having 3Cl, so I have to multiply this by 3 and it will give directly 3RCl. After that remains here 1P and 3OH, so I can write POH. Whole threads are commonly, you have seen this. This is in the form of H3PO3, which is known as ortho phosphorus AC. It means in place of R, if I have taken here alkyl group like CH3 or C2H5, then easily phosphorus trichloride give alkyl halide. But suppose that I have taken in place of PCl3 PCl5, then it also will give suppose I have taken once again ROH, it means alcohol. I am going to react with PCl5. As you know, whenever it reacts, it means phosphorus pentachloride reacts with alcohol, it gives, you have to remember, POCl3, phosphoryl chloride. After that, you have to prepare RCl, and then after you are saying remains here HCl. You can check one atom of phosphorus, also are having one oxygen, in this side also having one, and Cl having 5 in reactant side, 3, 4 and 5 in the product side. and H also. It means that you can also prepare from alcohol by the reaction of phosphorus pentachloride. And some examples you can write by placing alkyl group like CH3, C2H5 and so on. The third condition of alcohol, suppose I have taken alcohol, I am going to react it with thionyl chloride, SOCl2. As you are seeing here, I have to prepare alkyl halide. It means firstly it will give RCl. After that, you are seeing SO remain here and one oxygen here, so it will give SO2, and with formation of HCl. It means alkyl halide once again formed. And this one is the thionyl chloride, and this one is the alkyl chloride. And this reaction is known as, sometimes in the named reaction also can be asked, this one is the Dargens reaction. So if anyone asks you what is about the Dargens reaction, then you can write when alcohol reacts with thionyl chloride, then it will give alkyl halide with formation of sulfur dioxide gas and hydrogen chloride. So you are seeing, all of you have prepared alkyl halide or haloalkane from alkanes, and then after from alkenes. In alkenes you have to see symmetrical or asymmetrical. If symmetrical, then directly you can add hydrogen acid, hydrogen halide, and if unsymmetrical, then you are following either Markovnikov or anti-Markovnikov. That one is also known as Kharas effect or peroxide effect. After that, if you have taken alcohol, then you can prepare from three methods. Either first of all, you have seen by the reaction of Lucas reagent, and you also have to remember Lucas reagent because in some previous years in objective questions also asked what is Lucas reagent. And then after, second, by the reaction of halides of phosphorus like PCl3 or PCl5, and third one by the Dargens reaction, it means by the reaction of thionyl chloride. After that, some more methods for the preparation of alkyl halide. As you know, there is a reaction in which all of you have seen exchange of halogen atoms or halide ions. That one is known as Conon-Finkelstein reaction. So this one is the fourth method. Conon-Finkelstein reaction. All of you have seen, suppose taking RX and reacted with NaI. Remember here the presence, that one is the amine wedge. This is known as methyl alcohol. So this I will come here and this X with sodium, it means it will give Ri plus NaH. It means in this way, by the exchange of halogen atom, all of you will be able to prepare alkyl halide. As you are saying, in place of R, if I have written here CH3I, C2H5I, C3H7I, I can write. After that, fifth method, which one is also very important, Borodine Hunsdiker reaction. In this, first of all of you have to see RCOOAg. As you know, this one is the silver salt of carboxylic acid. Suppose we are passing bromine in presence of CCl4. It will give first of all AgBr as a precipitate and releases from there CO2 gas, and then remain here 1 Br and 1 R. It means it will also give RBr. So all of you are seeing here, by the reaction of silver salt of acids or carboxylic acids with bromine in presence of CCl4 carbon tetrachloride, I can also prepare alkyl halide like alkyl bromide I have prepared here. In this way you are seeing these are the methods by which I am preparing alkyl halides or alkanes. In this way, methods of preparation of alkyl halides I have completed. Thanks.